You've already seen earlier how to make random dice using JS, but in this video I'll show you how to do it using the toString method and the Array.pop method. So let's start by setting a ARR variable to the value of Math.random set to the toString. As you've seen in the earlier video, if you set the toString to base 2, what you're going to get is basically an array of binary number split into a single character items. Then also you can do arrays to string 3, and that's basically going to include numbers 0, 1, and 2. The toString 4, that's going to include 0, 1, 2, and 3, etc., etc. So the trick here is to set the toString to 7, which will give us numbers from 0 to 7, or actually to 0 to 6, including both 0 and 6. And all that we need to do now is, instead of doing array, just do array.pop, and that's going to give us the last number of that string. To confirm that, let's do console.log math.random toString 7. And if you pay attention, let's zoom this in a little bit. So if you pay attention, this last digit right here is never going to be 0, because it's sort of pointless to pad the end of a decimal number with a 0 in this case. Additionally, it's always going to be either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So in other words, you'll get a dice generated this way, which is kind of an interesting implementation, because we're not going the usual route that I've shown you in earlier videos. So that's it, combining Math.random toString, spread operator, and Array.pop to get an interesting and pretty short way to generate random dice.